Tabbar is the widget that allows us to easily navigate between different pages and widgets. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn the simplest way to create a tabbar. To create a tabbar widget in Flutter, we first of all wrap our scaffold with the default tab controller. We set the length to 3. This is the number of tabs that we have inside our tabbar. Inside the scaffold, we use an appbar, and inside the bottom property of the appbar, we place our tabbar. Inside the tabbar, we have 3 tabs. Each tab consists of a widget called tab that has a text and an icon. And lastly, inside the body, we place our Tabbarview. And for each tab inside the appbar, we have a widget inside here. So now if we hit save inside our application, we see that our tabbar is ready. And now we can click on the icons or swipe to use our tabbar.